The official Cronos app is almost ready, and we also start to see some positive price action for the CRO token. Is Cronos Summer finally back? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Obsidian Swap and their crazy contest. For example, the Baron trading contest that is live right now. Check it out in the description down below. It has been a long time since we last had some positivity in the Cronos ecosystem, but as you can see here on the chart, finally something seems to be brewing as well. And not only here in the short term, but also potentially in the longer term as well. We're going to dive deep into all the charts after we quickly take a look at the catalyst first, because I do think the first reason why we're heading into better times here is that we have this coming Cronos Summer with the Cronos App invite. Your Cronos App invite is almost ready. So here we've got an example to one of the mails sent to Chilla. Hi Chilla, the Cronos App closed beta opens later this month and you're in the first group. This is a heads up so you know what's coming. Your invite lands at this email address next. When it arrives, follow the steps to your device below. And if you guys have missed this in our streams, I've been talking about the closed beta for quite some time, and I've also sent out a few codes to people in our Discord. If though you missed it, unfortunately, there's no chance to become in this group, except for now going to Cronos.com and registering with the waitlist. Then probably you will be part of the next group as well. The opinions out there about the Cronos app and what it will do really for Crow and also the broader Cronos ecosystem are pretty mixed. In a future video, I will tell you exactly why I think that it will be a massive event for Cronos. But again, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for that video. For now though, at least with the launch, we can finally learn what the Cronos team has been cooking in the background. And with that, also we'll see the start of a new chapter. Because I talked about this also on X, and you can follow me at CoinBaron. But this is a hard pill to swallow. The leadership team of Cronos will not push the Cronos network until Cronos app is ready. Put very simply, without the Cronos app, there's no way to make any return on investment on the marketing spend. So without any revenue, also no additional buyback and burns for the CRO tokens. So not very effective. So this was only my theory, but luckily also Zane actually came in the discussion. You can see here, he mentions also paid spends happen once we have a good handle on CLV by locale that informs how much we're willing to spend to acquire a user. Basically, they're going to kind of test how much does it cost to make from a normal person a paying customer that will use the Cronos app and potentially also buy some more Crow. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, confirmed here by Zane, part of the leadership team, once the Cronos app goes live, we'll start the marketing machine, and that will be the start of a next chapter. I do know that for many out there, the silence from the Cronos team and also Chris is killing them, also including me sometimes, but that time, I believe, will end soon. And the charts already are reflecting that as well. But let's talk about that after the quick word of today's sponsor. Obsidian Swap is completely backing the Cronos Summer vibe, with also some new quests available for new tokens on the Cronos ecosystem, such as Slot, Bear, Baron are also back. And besides that, they're also running their own contest for trading volume. So for example, the Baron trading contest is live right now for the next 14 days with 75 participants and also some good prizes. This is worth about $500 US, so definitely not too shabby. All you gotta do is trade the Baron token, and the highest amount of points will go home with the prize. Start trading now in the link in the description down below. Anyways, let's continue talking now about the Crow charts, because what we see here is some positive price action. In the last 48 hours, it went up about plus 7%, so definitely not too bad. However, once we start zooming out, it does look a lot less impressive. But then if we zoom out even more on a different chart, things look a lot more promising. Because here we have a chart that started a downward formation since the beginning really of May. And it went down, down, down. You can see here we tried many times to break the downtrend, But only most recently, in the beginning of July, we finally managed to break out. And we stayed on top of the trend line for the longest time. But just a few days back, we finally retested here the trend line. And this typically is a great sign for at least a short-term price action, because we have escaped these week-long downtrend and finally are showing some strength on the way up. So this is very promising, and not, by the way, only for CRO. On the Ethereum chart specifically, we start to see that Ethereum tries to get back here to a years-long uptrend. This started in 2022, and right now on the monthly scale, we start to get back here at about the $2,000 mark. And so far, Ethereum is performing quite well, but of course, we have to wait and see. No financial advice. But also on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we start to see some hope, because there, again, kind of the same thing as with CRO, very long downtrend, and then we start now to retest this trend line and again, but we seem to create a bit of distance, as we also see on the Bitcoin dominance chart. And there I think is also quite interesting. We have here the inverse flag pattern, the bear flag this is called, and it's now retesting on the weekly this uptrend here for the flag. So typically it points down, but now for this bear flag, it points up. So if we get a rejection here from the flag, this would confirm that the bear flag is playing out, and then we're heading into greener pastures for altcoins, where we can see potentially a drop for Bitcoin dominance. And then we're talking potentially about multiple percentage points here that would drop back to about 50% for Bitcoin dominance, coming all the way here from 66%. All in all, the environment looks pretty positive right now for the CRO token. But as always, it does depend on the moves by Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will see a big dump, typically CRO will follow. But you can also pay attention to specific parts of the Cronos ecosystem as well. For example, transactions are finally rising, and there is a bit of a Cronos summer vibe as well. So it looks pretty good. If you want to learn more though about the Cronos ecosystem, don't forget to hit the like button and of course strap in for future videos. And having said that, I also have a vast library of previous videos, so check these out as well.